Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So I have a fun video for you today. Today I'm going to take you guys along as I clean and decorate my new dining room area that you see behind me. As I told you in the previous video, I am in the process of getting my daycare reopened and we shifted some things in the house. So now the new dining room space is in my old office and the daycare is going to be in the old dining room. So I wanted to take you guys along and show you how I got the space together. You did see me painting it in the previous video, and I finally got the space all decorated. Thank you guys so much for stopping by with me today. If this is your first time seeing my face or seeing my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Shushana. And on my channel, I do lots of home decor, seasonal decor, cleaning motivation, and lifestyle videos. So if that's something you are interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell twice so you don't miss any of my episodes. Definitely stay tuned for all the cool decorating and cleaning. I want to thank y'all so much for joining me today, and let's go ahead and get into this video.
I just want to hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I knocked at the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you. Although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light a fire just to put me out again. Still I need you, I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple